Imagine a world shrouded in perpetual darkness, a place of immense pressure and frigid temperatures. The deep sea is an environment so extreme that it challenges the very limits of life itself. This is the deep sea, a realm that exists beyond the reach of sunlight, where the darkness is so profound that it feels almost tangible, a place where life takes on strange and wondrous forms. Here, bioluminescent creatures light up the abyss, creating a mesmerizing display of natural lights. It is a world that holds within its depths mysteries yet to be unveiled, secrets that have been hidden for millennia, secrets waiting to be discovered. Each dive into these depths is a journey into the unknown, a chance to uncover the secrets of our planet's last frontier. The deep sea, covering nearly 2/3 of our planet, is a vast and largely unexplored frontier. Its sheer size and inaccessibility make it one of the most mysterious places on Earth, is a vast and unexplored frontier. Despite our advancements in technology, we have only just begun to scratch the surface of this enigmatic world. It is a world as alien to us as the surface of another planet. The creatures that inhabit these depths are unlike anything we have ever seen, adapted to survive in conditions that would be lethal to most life forms. For centuries, the deep sea has captivated our imaginations, inspiring tales of terrifying sea monsters and lost civilizations. Ancient mariners spoke of giant squids and monstrous creatures lurking in the depths, inspiring tales of terrifying sea monsters and lost civilizations. These stories, though often exaggerated, hint at the wonders that lie beneath the waves. Yet it is only in recent decades that we have begun to scratch the surface of this extraordinary realm. With the advent of advanced submersibles and remotely operated vehicles, we are now able to explore these depths like never before. With each passing expedition, with every new discovery, the deep sea reveals itself to be even more extraordinary than we ever imagined. Scientists are constantly finding new species and uncovering the secrets of this hidden world. The deep sea reveals itself to be even more extraordinary than we ever imagined. From bizarre fish with transparent heads to giant tubeworms thriving near hydrothermal vents, the diversity of life here is astounding. It is a world teeming with life, a kaleidoscope of biodiversity that challenges our very understanding of what it means to be alive. The deep sea is not just a dark, lifeless void, it is a vibrant ecosystem full of wonder and mystery, a kaleidoscope of biodiversity that challenges our very understanding of what it means to be alive. As we continue to explore, we are reminded of how much there is still to learn about our own planet, and how the deep sea remains one of its greatest mysteries. Venturing into the abyss is no easy feat. The deep sea presents a formidable challenge to exploration, an environment defined by extreme conditions that push the limits of human ingenuity and endurance. Imagine the crushing weight of thousands of feet of water pressing down upon you, a pressure so immense that it could crumple steel. The darkness is absolute, the only light emanating from the bioluminescent creatures that call this realm home. The cold is biting, the temperature hovering just above freezing. These harsh conditions demand specialized equipment and meticulous planning. Submersibles, remotely operated vehicles, and autonomous underwater vehicles have become our eyes and hands in the deep, allowing us to probe the depths and unravel the mysteries that lie hidden beneath the waves. Despite the extreme conditions, life thrives in the deep sea. The ocean's depths are a realm of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure, and frigid temperatures. Yet against all odds, a myriad of life forms have found ways to not only survive but flourish in this harsh environment. Over millennia, creatures have adapted to the darkness, the pressure, and the scarcity of food, evolving into some of the most bizarre and fascinating life forms on Earth. These adaptations are nothing short of extraordinary, showcasing the resilience and ingenuity of life. From bioluminescence to unique feeding strategies, each species has carved out a niche in this unforgiving world. Take for instance the anglerfish, a master of disguise with a bioluminescent lure dangling above its gaping maw, a beacon in the darkness to attract unsuspecting prey. This eerie light is a trap, drawing in smaller fish who mistake it for a safe haven, only to find themselves ensnared by the anglerfish's sharp teeth. Or consider the giant squid, a creature of legend, its enormous eyes scanning the darkness for prey, its tentacles, lined with powerful suckers, reaching out from the abyss to ensnare its victims. These elusive giants are rarely seen by humans, adding to their mystique and the allure of the deep sea. And then there's the vampire squid, a creature that lives up to its name, its dark, velvety skin and webbed arms giving it an eerie, otherworldly appearance. Unlike its name suggests, the vampire squid is a gentle scavenger, feeding on marine snow, tiny particles of organic material that drift down from the upper layers of the ocean. These are but a few examples of the incredible diversity of life that inhabits the deep sea. Each species, with its unique adaptations and behaviors, contributes to the complex and vibrant tapestry of this hidden world. The deep sea remains one of the last frontiers on our planet, a place of endless mystery and discovery. In the depths of the ocean where sunlight cannot penetrate, lie extraordinary ecosystems fueled not by photosynthesis, but by chemosynthesis. These oases of life, known as hydrothermal vents and methane seeps, support a unique and thriving community of organisms. Hydrothermal vents, discovered in 1977, are fissures in the ocean floor where geothermally heated water spews forth, carrying with it dissolved minerals and chemicals. These vents create chimney-like structures that tower over the seafloor, spewing forth plumes of superheated water. Methane seeps, on the other hand, are areas where methane gas bubbles up from the seafloor, providing a source of energy for bacteria that form the base of the food chain. These chemosynthetic ecosystems are a testament to the incredible adaptability of life, demonstrating that life can flourish even in the most extreme environments. The deep sea is a vast and largely unexplored realm, a treasure trove of biodiversity waiting to be discovered. Scientists estimate that we have identified only a small fraction of the species that inhabit the deep. With each new expedition, we uncover new species of fish, invertebrates, and microorganisms, each more bizarre and wonderful than the last. The potential for new discoveries is immense. Imagine the medical breakthroughs that await us in the form of new antibiotics, anti-cancer agents, and other life-saving drugs derived from deep-sea organisms. The secrets held within the genes of these creatures could hold the key to solving some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Section 6. Pioneering the Abyss: Technology and Deep-Sea Exploration. Exploring the deep sea is a technological marvel. Over the years, we have developed increasingly sophisticated tools and techniques to probe the abyss, from submersibles capable of withstanding crushing pressures to remotely operated vehicles that act as our eyes and hands in the deep. Autonomous underwater vehicles equipped with advanced sensors and imaging systems are now able to map the seafloor in unprecedented detail, revealing the contours of this hidden world. These technological advancements are opening up new frontiers in deep-sea exploration, allowing us to venture further and deeper than ever before. As technology continues to advance, we can look forward to even more groundbreaking discoveries in the years to come. Section 7. The Abyss Gazes Back: Our Responsibility to the Deep. As we delve deeper into the abyss, we must remember that we are merely visitors in this extraordinary realm. The deep sea, though seemingly remote, is not immune to the impacts of human activity. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing are all taking their toll on this fragile ecosystem. We have a responsibility to explore the deep sea responsibly, to minimize our impact and to protect this extraordinary environment for generations to come. The choices we make today will determine the fate of the deep sea. We must choose to be stewards of this incredible realm, to protect its biodiversity, and to ensure that its mysteries continue to inspire wonder and awe for generations to come. Section 8. A Call to Action: Protecting Our Undiscovered World. Protecting the deep sea is not just the responsibility of scientists and policymakers. Each and every one of us has a role to play. We can support organizations dedicated to ocean conservation, we can reduce our own carbon footprint, and we can make informed choices as consumers, opting for sustainable seafood and avoiding products that contribute to ocean pollution. By working together, we can make a difference. We can ensure that the deep sea, this last great frontier on Earth, remains a source of wonder and discovery for generations to come. Let us embrace our role as stewards of the ocean, for the sake of the deep sea, and for the well-being of our planet. Section 9. The Final Frontier and Enduring Mystery. The deep sea, with its extreme environment and captivating creatures, remains one of the most intriguing mysteries on our planet. It is a world that is both alien and familiar, a place where the boundaries of our knowledge are constantly being tested and expanded. The creatures that inhabit these depths are like nothing we have ever seen, with adaptations that boggle the mind and inspire awe. While we have made significant strides in understanding this unique ecosystem, countless discoveries await us in its dark depths. Each expedition brings new insights, revealing the complex interplay of life forms that have adapted to survive in such an extreme environment. The technology we use to explore these depths is advancing rapidly, allowing us to go deeper and stay longer than ever before. Let us continue to explore, to learn, and to protect this incredible realm that holds so much wonder and promise. The more we understand about the deep sea, the more we realize how interconnected all life on Earth truly is. This knowledge not only enriches our understanding of the natural world but also underscores the importance of preserving these fragile ecosystems. The deep sea is a reminder that our planet is full of surprises, a testament to the power of life to thrive even in the most unexpected of places. It challenges our perceptions and invites us to look beyond the surface, to delve into the unknown with a sense of wonder and curiosity. The resilience of life in such harsh conditions is a powerful reminder of the tenacity and adaptability of living organisms. It is a call to exploration, to conservation, and to a deeper understanding of our place in the vast web of life on Earth. By studying the deep sea, we gain insights into the history of our planet and the processes that shape it. This knowledge can inform our efforts to protect and preserve not just the deep sea, but all of Earth's ecosystems. Let us answer that call with curiosity, with respect, and with a commitment to protecting this extraordinary realm for generations to come. The deep sea holds many secrets, and it is up to us to uncover them, to learn from them, and to ensure that this incredible part of our world remains vibrant and thriving for future generations. Thank you for diving into the abyss with us. If you enjoyed unraveling the mysteries of the deep sea, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us bring more intriguing content to curious minds like yours. Stay tuned for more mysteries and adventures. As we continue to explore the depths of our oceans, remember that each one of us plays a role in preserving this mysterious and wondrous world. Every small action we take to protect our environment contributes to the health of our planet's ecosystems, including the deep sea. Let us embrace our responsibility with enthusiasm and dedication, knowing that our efforts today will shape the discoveries and adventures of tomorrow. Together, we can ensure that the secrets of the deep remain a source of inspiration and wonder for generations to come. Join us on this journey into the unknown. Let your curiosity lead the way and let your passion for discovery drive us forward. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep marveling at the incredible world beneath the waves.